Hi, in this video we are going to create this web page using HTML and CSS tags. Look at this page. What are the tags are used to create this web page? Here, heading tag used to create the heading in our web page. There are 6 type of head tag used to in HTML. Some small tags used to create this heading in our web page. Then at last as the coronavirus, these contents are shown in our web page is a paragraph, so we using the paragraph tag used to create the content in paragraph. Next we using the image tag to display this image in our web page. Then the figma wig is also the heading tag to display the figma wigs in heading, and then the content also the paragraph, so we using paragraph tag to used to display the content in paragraph. In below all the contents that can be represent in the list of items, so we using the list tag used to display this list of items. So the see the all the items are unordered, so using the unordered list of items to display this. Then see the whole page, it have two sections. The div tag used to create a section in our web page, so we are using a div tag to create our web page is right side and left side, there have two parts. Okay, then see the left side, the quick intro, related topics, that's all the head tag. The experience of principal is the paragraph tag, and also the product of management, that is all the list of items and unordered list. And then become a member, follow, subscribe, it is a button tag, so we using the button tag to create a button in our web page. Now all the tags are used in our web page, we are discussed. Now we are moving to the coding part, how to create the web page using coding in HTML. Now just listen. Okay, going to the first. Okay, the dog type HTML, it is nothing but the first it tells the browser which type of document this is. Now we going to move to the whole part. First we tell the browser it is the HTML document or other documents. Now the HTML, it refers to the browser. This document is the HTML document, and the language English. We want to going to this coding full of English language, so we using the ENG. The head tag, it is the meta information, gives the browser what we have to prefer. So the meta information gives the head tag to going to the browsers. Then the char set is the charity pointer UDF8 for we going to create. Then the next meta information about name, viewport, content with device with, it is it gives the web page is responsive and adaptive to another adaptive other devices, so we giving the viewport. Then title Figma design, it gives the browsing bar. The Figma design, it displays the browsing bar, we have to display our image. Okay, then in the style part, it's CSS style, so we going to discuss it later. Going to the create body sections. The body, all visible contents in between the body tags, so we are going to create all the content in body tag. So we have two sections in our web page, right side and left side. We using div tag to section in our web page, so we going to first the right side section. So we using the class equal to split right. Using the class, we using div used to create a session in our web page, and also used to class multiple elements that can be styled in while using a div class name. So the split right side, we going to the head, paragraph, image, all the multiple elements in our right side. First the head tag, rolling out Figma design, it using head 3, that is a small middle. Here see, it is the middle size of our head, so we using the head 3, so this heading is shown in head tags. Next we use the content in paragraph, so we using a paragraph tag to display our content in paragraph. Next image src. Src is nothing but the location of our image that can be stored in our PC So that image that can be, and then width, height, how many width and height takes the image in our web page. So now we have to create. Now see, the width is 600 and height is 200. Next, the head tag, the Figma week. It is a small in compared to our head 3. Head 4 is a little bit small. So the Figma week. Then next it's a paragraph. Then going to the list of items. So the in between the list of items is unordered list. So we giving the unordered list of items in list items. So UL and LI using the head tags. Going to the right side, left side, the quick intro. No, sorry, it's a button tag used. So the subscribe button, type of button, follow button. So the button tags are used to create the right side button. So the right side is fully completed. We are going to the left side. The left side also we creating the div, because we creating the multiple elements to style in a single class. So using div, the also the head tag, quick intro, the paragraph. So the other headings is related topics, and the list of items in giving to the unordered list of items. So the list of item in between the unordered list, and the button type using the button tags. Become a member is a button. So we giving the button tags, and the div section is closed. The body section is also closed. HTML section closed. Now we are going to the style all the elements in our HTML tag in between the body tag. So the split is both comment between right and left, and the positions is fixed, and the split is common between right and left. The position fixed, and height when the 100 percentage. It takes the full heights, right and left. It takes full height our split sections. Then the left part, okay, left part, the width 25 percentage, and background color light gray. The padding 20 pixel. It padding is nothing but the space between content and border. It takes 20 pixel, and box sizing is border box. I gives the size box sizing is a border box. Then going to the right section, it takes the width 75 percentage. Left takes left 25, then it takes 75 percentage, padding 50 pixel, and background color is white, box sizing border box. Body, the font family is Arial and sans serif. I give this to the body. All the font takes the Arial and sans serif. If you want to change, then you are going to change all the body sections. Now going to the head 3, head 4 paragraph in margin 10 pixel. So I give 10 pixel. All groups of all grouped by comma, and takes 20 pixel for margin. Then the unordered list of item, style is disk, and margin left is 20 pixel. I give for the list of items. The right subscribe button, that means subscribe button, and that means the subscribe button, and the follow buttons styled in below. The positions is absolute, bottom 20 pixel, right 20 pixel, background color is, and they were that means the right and follow buttons also the position is absolute, bottom 20 pixel, right 140 pixel, background color that also the blue, but the right 140 pixel I gave, because there's gap between follow and subscribe button I have. So the follow button is before the subscribe button. So I giving the right side in follow button 140 pixel. Background color is blue. Then button, it is nothing but the become a member button. So it designed in I designed it different. So margin top 10 pixel, and padding 10 pixel and 20 pixel, cursor pointer, and background color is blue. That button is style. So style tag is closed. All our coding part is alone. Now this coding part create our web page. For that I discussed in before. Now this is the coding for I create this web page. This web page.